In this video, we are going to walk through the digestive system structures on the large muscle model. Here, of course, we have the liver, the right lobe, and the left lobe. If we remove the liver, we can see the IVC. We look on the inferior side, we can see the quadrate lobe, the caudate lobe, the gallbladder, cystic duct. The green one here is the common hepatic duct, and when they join together, we call this the common bile duct. In blue, we can see the hepatic portal vein and the common hepatic artery. The stomach. Here we can see the esophagus, allowing food to enter into the stomach. We remove the stomach and everything else with it. What we can see is this domed portion up top. This is the fundus. Lesser curvature, greater curvature. In this particular model, we can take a look inside the stomach. Inside, we can see these ridges here. These are called the rugae. The whole stomach tapers down into the pyloric region, and this here is the pyloric sphincter. Posterior and inferior to the stomach is the pancreas. And the pancreas, as well as the gallbladder and liver via this common bile duct right here, both deposit different secretions into this first section of the small intestine, the duodenum. Moving on to the intestines themselves. Okay, we talked about the duodenum. Next, we have the jejunum. And finally, we have the ileum. Once chyme has passed through the ileum, it is going to enter into the large intestine via this little triangular structure here. This is the iliocegal valve. Okay. This blind-ended outpocketing is the cecum. If we flip this over, we can see that the vermiform appendix is extending off of the cecum. Okay. From there, food will ascend via the ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon, and then I'll flip this guy over one more time. And we can see here that the large intestine has been cut off, and the rest is within this half of the model over here. So this almost S-shaped portion of the large intestine is the sigmoid colon, which then straightens out into the rectum here. Okay, on the posterior side of this portion of the model, we can see the mesenteries. Okay, so this double layer of peritoneum, which houses the blood vessels, the lacteals, the nerves going to and from the intestines.